She came trembling, kurkurog siya, and fell at his feet. Nihagbong siya sa tubangan ni Jesus. In the presence of all people, she told why she had touched him and how she had been instantly healed. So naayo dayon siya the moment gitouch niya ang sanina ni Jesus. Verse 48, then he said to her daughter, your faith has healed you. Go in peace. Unsay pasabot ani? Church, listen. Daghan kay tao nag-touch kay Jesus. Pero only one person ang na-notice ni Lord. Question. Kung hika pa kay Lord, manotice kaya ka ni Lord? You know what? There are many people who are coming to church, singing songs, reading the Bible, hearing the gospel, claiming they are Christians. They are seemingly touching God. Nikabit sila kay Lord, nihikap sila ni Lord. But only with living faith touches the heart of God. Kung niadto kag simbahan without living faith, niadto ka sa imong Bible without living faith, you sing without living faith, you do things, you preach, you sang, you played without living faith, you are just touching God, but you are not touching His heart. Faith pleases the Lord according sa Hebrews 11:6.